Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2013 63 Reg 318D M Sport Saloon. Vehicles presented in Alpine White has just arrived as a part exchange to ourselves. Customer has since gone away with one of our other vehicles. As with any of our cars, it's physically in stock, ready to be driven away the same day. If you are of course interested in this superb car, you'll be happy to know that there are no hidden extras with any of our vehicles, and you can of course see more about this car, including prices and funding options, over on our website, or of course get in touch directly, which I'll leave all linked below in the description box. Just below the walk around from the website, check out the finance calculator. You can also apply directly from there, or of course get in touch directly should you want to via text message, telephone, email or WhatsApp. Let's get back to talking about the car though. 19-inch 403M alloy wheels in high gloss black. You've got the gloss black air breather, the gloss black aero mirrors. That's twice I've done that today. Gloss black aero mirrors. The satin side vinyls with YT and performance decals. Rear sun protection glazing. It's a nice, clean, tidy example. It's been very well cared for. It's got the gloss black rear boot spoiler, and around towards the rear we've got rear parking sensors, gloss black rear diffuser. Boot space, you've got good boot space on the 3 Series Saloon, as you can see. Fortunately, this one has also got the split folding seat option as well. So again, that's nice to have that. Just gives you that bit more space, which we'll show you in just one second as we make our way towards the passenger side of this M Sport 3 Series Saloon. For the first time in this walk around, let's open up one of the doors and show you inside. So you've got a Dakota leather interior in black. You have got a full 3-seat Isofix rear bench in the rear of the car, and again with that split folding seat function there, that's just going to give you that bit more space should it be required. And we'll fold the seats back into position and again go further down the car for you, and I'll open up the front door. Again, lovely full black leather. This one's a 6-speed manual, and we'll go around towards the driver's side once again so you can see everything inside the car in a bit more detail. Again, everything looking nice and neat and tidy, especially for a car that has covered over 100,000 miles now. It has been kept in good condition, also looking well indeed. If we fire up the car then, car's covered just over 104, as I mentioned, 104,000. Got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, so you've got cruise control, voice and volume functions. Comes with a Bluetooth telephone. Has got USB and AUX line in, along with DAB radio. Dual auto climate control system. The next service for this 318D is not due for 17,000 miles. Again, everything in here still feels and looks and sounds exactly as it should do. Bearing in mind it's covered 104,000 miles now. Things like your climate system, your volume dial, your steering wheel. Again, areas where they are used every single time the car is in use still look and feel like they should do. If you'd like to know anything more about this 318D, as I began with saying, please do simply check out the description box at the bottom of the video. That way you can check out the car on the website. For the time being, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.